We're here at the house and we're about to open it for the first time. This is so surreal, but it's officially ours. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be going over closing day and an empty house tour. The vlog footage from that day and the house tour were not exactly thought through at the time, so they're a little bit random, so I'm just gonna pop in and narrate where necessary. I am in the car on my way to the title company to sign and close on my first house, so I'm very excited. Okay, so that took about 45 minutes and I signed everything and the house is officially ours. Yeah, I'm so excited. I don't have the keys yet because the sellers are signing in a few minutes, so I'm gonna come back in like an hour and get the keys, and for now I'm just gonna go help Joe pack up our U-Haul and get everything out of the storage place. So while I was signing, Joe and my brother were at the storage facility getting our furniture and everything that we'd moved. They were loading up a U-Haul and basically just making our move happen, and we did want to move in and unpack that same day. But luckily, before we unpacked, we got some footage of the empty house. Alright, we're here at the house and we're about to open it for the first time. This is so surreal, but it's officially ours. Just a little backstory before we get like too far into the house tour. We looked at mostly older homes in our search just because that was what was within our price range, and also a lot of the houses around here are a little bit older. So this house is about 100 years old and it has a lot of original features, or older features at least. Like I think the trim is original and it seems like the doors might be original too. They have these really nice glass doorknobs and it's less than 1,000 square feet. The main living space is kind of like an open concept type of style where the living room and the dining room are connected by this really nice wide archway, and the kitchen is off of the dining room and it is a little bit closed off from the living space, but I like how the door was removed here. And the kitchen is on the small side, but it looks like the previous owners updated the cabinets with white paint and updated the floor with these like nice farmhouse trendy vinyl tiles. This is one of the bedrooms, which I'm using as an office. And the washer dryer setup is in here too, which is a little bit weird, but I don't mind having the laundry on the main floor. So the next bedroom is the master, and it seems like the biggest room in the house. Like I think that it might be the same size as the living dining combined. And then we have a basement as well with an unfinished bathroom. We have an attic which is technically unfinished, but there is like insulation and subfloor, and it looks like there used to be some sort of like linoleum floor up here. We are planning on converting this into Joe's music studio so he can record and produce music from home. And in the original house tour, I did forget to show the bathroom. It's a really small bathroom, but it does the job. There is like this cool like vintage sink and the built-in medicine cabinet with the mirror and these two like old school sconces, and then yeah, it's just a shower tub and toilet. I hope you enjoyed this house tour. I know it was really quick, but I just wanted to do this to give kind of a reference point to some of the content that I'll be putting out after this, so you guys have a sense of like what I'm talking about or what things look like, or I change stuff. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you around. Make sure you hit the subscribe button with the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my next videos.
Okay. All right, ready?
What?
So how do you feel?